get in trouble for hurting someone's feelings, and we automatically say, what? Apologize. You owe that person an apology. It's like a bill. You know, so I got to fill that out of a check. Here's your apology. Here you go. Get over it. Here you go. And then, so the kid goes up and says, sorry, jerk. I still hate you, though. All right? Because that's the way they really feel. So, yeah, how do you make it sincere? How do you make an apology sincere if you've not taught what an apology is? See, to kids, an apology is sorry. I'm sorry. I said I was sorry. I wrote a letter. I should not have done that, Mrs. Bath. I will never do that again. If that kid's going to write me a letter, he better have some sort of rubric to go with it. He better tell me what he's sorry for, why he's sorry for it, what he's hoping to feel by writing this letter, what he's hoping I might feel as a result of reading this letter. And maybe, how am I going to think about this in my future? It should be uncomfortable to apologize. It should be uncomfortable. If you feel you need to apologize, it doesn't feel good. You don't feel good. And I think that's the piece that we've kind of waved over this whole apology letter, say you're sorry, the whole thing. It's like it's not doing any good because we haven't taught it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.